Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error. So if you see only black screen on your iPhone, so how you can fix this error. So first thing you need to try, just take your cable and just try to charge your iPhone. So maybe it's caused by low power on your battery. So just try to charge it, and mostly it helps. And if you still have this error, so just press and hold power and just wait. If nothing happen, so just try to make force restart on your iPhone. So how you can make it, it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So on these models of iPhone you just need to press on high volume, low volume, and just press and hold power button until you will see here slide to power off, and after your iPhone you will see black screen and Apple logo. So just keep holding this power button. So let's try again. High volume button, low volume button, and just press and hold power button until you will see black screen. So just keep holding this button and just release your finger. So if you make everything okay, so you will see Apple logo. It means that you successfully made force restart on your iPhone. So this is the way how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.